What's up everybody, my name's Alan. This is the first video of our channel. Our channel will bring you the technical analysis of the Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. And we're definitely gonna help you predict the trend of the market, share my trading plan and targets. And we're definitely gonna help you gain better profit in the future. I was into the crypto market in 2020 and just like everyone else, we experienced a very strong bull market as you can see right here. And by the way, here's my asset here. We have reached $1 million in 2020 and 2021 and we expect to double it to 2 million USDT this year. So in the future videos, we will share our trading plans and trading targets with you. So if you expect more as well as learning how to trade, make sure you subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any single chance that will make you great money in the future. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's look at the Standard & Poor's Index first because it's correlated to the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Right now, it's still entering a bearish market right here. And we see that there are some good signs of the rebounds recently. So it will be two cases in the future. Number one is that it continue to rise, reverse, and automatically it will break out the upper downtrend line. And this is the first case that we're talking about. The second case is that we notice there is a 3,700 resistance line down right here. So in the future, if it keeps touching this resistance line, and unfortunately it has a breakout, and we will definitely see a bearish decline. So there are two cases right here that we need to look at from a bigger picture. Now let's shift to the market index in short term. Last week, we saw a clear rebound following the Standard & Poor's Index rose last week, which was a great news at the beginning. But unfortunately, when it was about to close, the top was under selling pressure. A relatively long upper shadow pops up, and the final closing price was not higher than the opening price of the previous column. So the original strong bullish expectation was denied, and the upcoming next market probably continues to be hovering. It is worth mentioning that this position is similar to the previous of consolidation. It also started to rebound in the third week but stopped after reaching the resistance level, and it began to fall 5 to 6 hours before closing the line. Now let's look at the daily chart. The price rise to 22,500 last week is close to the upper edge of the entire range and is also positioned with strong resistance, and the signal that Bitcoin has stalled for 2 days in a row also indicates the risk of falling is very high. And here, in view of the false breakthrough of the previous high, experienced traders will choose to short. At present, the daily level and the weekly level have the same pattern, and it's highly possible that it still hovers between 22,500 to 18,900. It should be noted there, although it is in a downward trend, the reversal stage should not be excessively bearish and short. It is very easy to suddenly pull up and touch your stop losses sets. And then we will talk about the key content, and don't go away. What is the next trading plan? Should I go long or short? We will talk about it in the 4-hour chart. In 4 hours, it has entered an ascending channel and followed the trend of A, B, C, D, E. So at present, I entered the market to short at point C, and I have closed it with profit last night. And then I wait for the point D and the support at the weekly level below. 19,200 to 18,700 shows a bullish signal, and then you can choose to go in for long. The key is to see whether it will break out the short-term downtrend line. If you directly enter it at the current market price to open short, the risk is very high here, and the bottom shows a potential support level. Those who have missed it should wait patiently. And why people always lose something? because these people are impatient to do what is right. So guys, we are currently in a bearish market because there are a lot fewer people come in and the liquidity of the market is relatively poor and everyone's investment sentiment is at a lower level, and that's why it is bad and difficult to build up positions at this time. And in terms of news, we need to pay attention to the June CPI data released on July 13th. If the data is higher than expectations, well, and then the Standard & Poor's index will continue to fall sharply, and the Bitcoin will continue to fall to a lower position. And of course, we don't have to worry about too much because we still need to trace through the signals according to the index. And now let's have a look at Ethereum, which is roughly the same as Bitcoin. So we only talk about the 4 hours level for everyone here. And then the first case I think is that it may show a false downward breakout and a quick reversal, and it breaks through the short-term downtrend line. So guys, be careful, you may need to reduce your position and close your short. And if we want to go for long here, we need to see a stronger green candle. Only with higher trading volume can the bulls be considered strong, and otherwise, well, it may be risky to go for long at this time. The second case, as we can see here, is that it falls below the white uptrend line, and if they close at price of 1,000, it is a very dangerous signal here. It is also a very high risky thing to go for short after falling below 1,000 USDT. So it is best for you to go short in short term because the previous low of 880 is one of the supports. If there is an upward second breakout successfully at 880, it is easy to cause losses on short orders, and it is also a good time to go long. Otherwise, it may crash below 880 very soon. So the above is my trading plan and the current market analysis. My opinions are for references only and not serve as investment advice. Cryptocurrency trading is very high risky, so be careful. I'm Alan. This is a channel dedicated to cryptocurrencies. If you like my video and think it's helpful for you to trade, please give us a like and share it with those who also need it. When we break through after 1,000 subs, we will bring you live analysis so that you won't miss out any follow-up content if you subscribe to the channel or the Coinfinite. This is Alan. Alan again, help you gain. See you in the next video.